and welcome. I'm Gail, and this is the first prelude to hopefully a successful YouTube channel called We're Here. I'm actually sitting in the parking lot of my church because I'm hiding from my husband because this is going to be a surprise to him. He's always wanted to do a YouTube channel about traveling, and I want to do this, and I want to try to do my best for you and for him. And I've never done this before, so here we go. And I'm gonna drive over to the bus and introduce you to Journey. That's what I call the bus. Mark doesn't like that name, but anyway, I'll show you Journey, and I'll tell you a little bit more about my idea for this YouTube channel. All right, we're here, and this is Journey. She is a 45-foot Prevost, and the conversion is a marathon, and it looks like it's pronounced Prevost, but it's French, and it's pronounced Prevost. She has a Detroit engine, and she's a 1999, so she's what, 23 years old. The paint job was done by John Starr. Every Prevost paint job is different. They're unique, so if you see this one, you know it's us. Mark likes to call her Big D because we have Diesel, who is a Doberman, and he's Little D, and this is like Big D, but I like Journey. So anyway, that's what she looks like on the outside. So I'll show you a little bit of her on the inside. We have a portable air conditioner. This is what we do when we have her in storage, so it stays cool in here, and when we do things to prepare for trips or to clean her up or just to organize things, we're not hot on those hot summer days and so forth. So we keep this little air conditioner going, and it works fantastic. And it's vented out the window. So it doesn't look great, but it's very, very functional. All right, welcome to the inside. I'm actually going to link a video for you to look at that's a lot better than this. We've had it remodeled. This is not what she looked like when we got her. But anyway, I'll show you the before and after video so you can get an idea of what we've done. Here's another look at the inside. The weather has gotten cooler, so we removed the portable air conditioner, and now we have some little heaters that we keep in here to keep it at a constant temperature. Now we have, I can't remember if this was down earlier or not, but anyway, the couch on this side is put down because that's where Diesel rides. So poor little guy, He doesn't have a very comfortable ride, does he? But that's there. I didn't talk about the seats in case you haven't been in a motorhome before. The passenger seat is very, very comfortable. It's kind of like a lazy boy. It has a footrest. It'll recline quite a bit, and it's very comfortable. The driver's seat is an air ride seat, so it's very comfortable as well as we're driving down the road. And going around, I can't remember either if I had the accent lights on before, but I turned them on this time. And I have, do I have all the lights on? Yeah, I guess I pretty much do. The lights up here at the top around the mirror is where you can change the lights, so you have different colors. And I think right now they're on green, but they're kind of hard to see with the other lights on. So anyway, a little bit better video of the inside. Again, the Marathon Company has a fantastic, professionally done video of the remodel, and I will put the link in the description. So please make sure that you watch it, because it's very fascinating. They did a great job. And going back here to the bedroom, there's the other portable heater that we set in here, and there I am in the mirror. So this is the bedroom, and up here at the top you can see the constellation. On the button that we use to turn it on, they call it, what do they call it? Star moon, the star moonlight. So anyway, that's that. And I'm going to show you something kind of unusual. We get a kick out of showing this to people, and it's actually the closet. So let me show you this thing. And you're going to say, what in the world is the big deal about a closet? Well, this one is kind of neat because it has this like a dry cleaning place, and you've got this huge area where you can hang all your clothes. And this is a huge closet. I mean, we can just store a lot of things back here. And there's that portable air conditioner that we had earlier, that we had out by the front, and this is where we store it when we're not using it. So isn't that something else? Kind of unusual. But that's the closet, or one of the main closets. Okay, so going on around, I don't think I mentioned it either, but we do not have slides. So what you see is basically what we have, but it is plenty big for just me and Mark and Lisa. All right, we're here, and this is a little more nerve-wracking than I thought it would be. I feel like I'm just talking to myself, and I'm so self-conscious, and I guess I'll get used to this. Woo! But anyway, it's just me, and I'm here in the bus by myself. Of course, Alexa's here, but she's not plugged in, so maybe I need to plug her in so I can talk to her a little bit. But anyway, yes, this YouTube channel. My goal is, of course, for it to be successful, and to share information about trips. And just like I did a while ago on the air conditioner that we have in here, when she's, in storage, we keep that on and so forth. Just little things like that that might help others. And then to share our travels and show you things around the country. So we hope that it's informative. I'd like to show you things that I do to get ready for trips, what we do while we're in travel, and of course once we get there, and how we organize our trips, pay for the trips and the fuel. Once I tell Mark about this channel, then I'm going to have him talk to you about all the really important things that make it go and make it work. That's not my thing. So anyway, he's excellent in that, and people ask for his advice all the time. So this is really a good avenue for him to share what he knows. Okay, so what I need from you, please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell, because I don't know at this point what day I'm going to publish the videos. My plan is to do it once a week. We'll see how that goes. So if you hit the bell, then of course it'll tell you when I publish something. I plan for the videos to be 15 minutes to 30 minutes. Maybe as I feel more comfortable, it'll be a little longer. We'll see how it goes. What else? Let's see. Let me just show you something right now, because we are going to be going on a trip next week. It's a short trip. We're going to be going to Lake Tyler in Tyler, Texas. It's called the Boulders RV Park. And so we're only going to be gone 2 nights, I think it is. Yeah, 2 nights. And it's only a couple of hours to get there. So normally on long trips, I prepare some meals that we can eat quickly and easily on the road, either kind of as we're going down the road, or if we stop at rest areas where I can heat it up in the microwave, things like that. But with this only being a couple of hours, I won't do that. To give you an idea though, I'm going to take you over to the refrigerator and show you something that I do. This is what I do in the refrigerator, just so things don't slide. We don't really have that issue, but just in case, I'd rather be safe than sorry. I put down this kind of shelf paper and cut it up. And I know this isn't pretty, but it's functional. These are boxes that are from the ice drinks, the ice sparkling drinks. There's usually like 10 or 12 in a package. And it works great because I like putting glass things in here just in case, again, just being double safe. And I have some there, and then I don't put any on the top because I want to be able to see through the shelves. But if I need to, I do have some of these, and I can put them there later after we get on the road, or before we get on the road. I used to keep food here in the bus, and I just kind of kept it stocked. But I found that I had to throw away food because it would expire. And then the food at home, when we're gone months at a time, it would just get old as well. So I've kind of stopped doing that, and now I just carry the food back and forth. But carrying it in the boxes, and already have it in the boxes, or I do have some see-through plastic trays also at home. But if I keep my things in those trays or in those boxes at home, it's so easy just to pick up the box, put it in the car, bring it here, and put it in the refrigerator. So it helps a lot. So there's 2 little tips already. The air conditioner that we use here, so we're not using our air conditioners in the bus all the time. So we just use that little air conditioner. It's a lot less expensive to replace that than it would be to replace our big air conditioners on the bus. And the little tip about how I carry food back and forth in the refrigerator, and the little things on the shelves so things don't slide around. Of course, with things being in the box itself, that kind of prevents it from sliding around as well. So that's all I can think of for right now. I promise I will get better at this and I'll feel more comfortable. I want to hopefully show this channel to Mark around Christmas, maybe the first of the year. I'm just wanting to get lots of views first, and so you're seeing it before he does. Anyway, I will do this again when we get back from our trip. Maybe one more time before we leave, if I can do some recordings without him seeing me. So this will be kind of fun. You're in on the secret, so if you know us, shh, don't tell Mark. I don't want him to know. And anyway, have fun with me with this little journey and this little surprise, and we'll keep it between you and me. And I'll see you next time. Bye. Alrighty, we've made it through our first video. I hope you enjoyed it. And remember, if you know Mark, don't tell him. This is between you and me for now. So please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you'll know when the next video is ready.